Today is Lobster 101. In this video, I'm going to go through quickly on how to tell which lobsters are the best to purchase, how to determine whether they're a he and a she, and I'll give you a quick guide on how to completely clean these. So let's waste no time and let's get at it. So the first thing you're going to do when you buy these and they're alive, if you want to make sure you get a nice full lobster, you're going to squeeze, and the harder the shell is down here, the better the lobster is and the fuller the meat is. The weaker it is, it's closer to the process of shelling, and the meat will be a lot less meat into it. That being said, a lot of times when they're shelling, if you get them at the right time, the meat's really sweet. So if you want to know the difference between a he and a she, the first obvious thing is this tail is larger and wider than this one. This is a female because it accommodates the seeds. The easiest way is to flip them over, and you'll see this little thing here is soft on females, and here it's harder on males, so it's easy to tell. So now what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to clean these. So you break off the claws, twist the tail, your hands on both sides, squeeze this together. Then put your fingers in there, break that, there's your tail. What we'll do is we're going to cut this end off, and then we're just going to slice it down the center of the tail, just a little ways through to remove the vein. Veins removed, tail's ready to eat. And then you're just going to break off your knuckles. They bend this way, break the other way. Remove this for your claw. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take your knife, you're going to turn this up on the edge, and just in between these spiny things, make a little hit. Turn it here, hit. And see, it just instantly breaks. There's knuckles, and these you can just push out with your finger or something smaller. You got the knuckle meat. Let's do one more just to show you. Break that off, and then you're just going to take this and just hit lightly back there, and usually just tap. See how easy that is? A lot of people go through a lot of trouble to try to get them out when it's really simple. Again, break, meat, break, and then you just push that out. And last, your legs. Break these off. If you have a bottle or a glass, you put your leg like this, and then you can squeeze the meat out by rolling your glass with the bottle on it. And that's very good meat. And the last thing I'm going to show you, most people don't even bother with, pull that apart. Some people eat the tamale, and then you can just take this. It's good if you rinse it off, but I'm going to just show you. That will be rinsed off, you pull it apart, and there's meat that you can get inside the body. So there you have it. How to buy a good lobster, how to tell if it's a he or she, and how to clean it. I have a great video on Awesome Chowder if you'd like to check it out, and also hit the subscribe button. I hope you enjoyed the video.